Index column. So what is index column? Index column is something which you can directly add an index column, just like either you can start from 0. We click on first option from 0, automatically it will add index column 0 to 5. Or else if you're not interested, if you wanted to add from 1, you start from 1 to 6, then 6 records, so it starts from 1. You can also give some range. No, I'm not interested in 1 or 0. Maybe I'm interested to give some code. Let's say I wanted to say it like 9001, right? Increment, I can say 1 or increment 2 or 10, whatever. Increment 100, right? Increment 100, whatever. I can give my own coding, right? It says, okay, 9001, 9101, 201, 301, 4. So you can kind of create an indexing column, which is very handy. Okay.